What else is in there? They also put lemongrass inside it?
No lemongrass.
Oh, lime. Okay.
Sauce and put a little bit of sugar.
Hey guys, welcome back to Craves. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Leave your comment down below. Tell me what you think of this Thai food. Today we are at a Thai restaurant called Kun Thai. I've been told it means Thai people. So we're gonna try out different kinds of Thai food. Tom yum rice. Then we also have a vegetable called morning glory, deep fried pork. They give you with a little bit of cucumber. And we also have noodles. What do you call these noodles?
Glass noodle.
Glass noodles.
Yeah.
Okay, so we also have a little bit of glass noodles right there with a little bit of shrimp and
Minced pork.
okay, minced pork. What's that green vegetable?
Parsley.
Parsley. Then there's a little bit of chili in there. My favorite is actually tom yum rice and the vegetable. I'll begin with yum rice.
Take the lemon glass and let it burn in your mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's telling me that I should put the lemongrass
Yeah.
part of the rice and let me take a bite.
Now you feel it. You feel the herbs. It doesn't burn in your mouth. The flavor, the Thai flavor.
Actually, back home we use lemongrass in tea.
Oh yeah, yeah. For
Rice,
aromatic, right?
Yeah.
Same here,
Yeah,
like it gives some aromatic on food as well.
Now the rice is sugary. I like it. Has a little bit of butter
Chicken,
and
shrimp.
shrimp. Alright, we're done tasting the rice. Let's try the morning glory vegetable. It's actually my first time hearing about this kind of vegetable.
It's our main dish for vegetable. Like it's easy to cook and like at night time, during the night time, it can be like something that we can eat with congee.
Did you go up there?
At night, it's like a nice food. Like, it's easy to digest, so we're gonna eat them with congee.
So let me try the morning glory. I love it. I definitely love it. Very soft. half cooked. So when you chew it, you're gonna feel the chewy texture inside.
Yeah, chewy texture inside.
There's a little bit of chili. I think most of Thai food has chili in it,
Yeah,
right?
like we use chili base to stir fry everything.
Wow.
We need to actually learn on a stir fry vegetable or fried rice sometimes. Like if it's like a curry based fried rice,
Yeah.
we need to add chili. But it's like if it's like normal fried rice, later we gonna eat them with a sauce. We do have our own chili fish sauce.
This is amazing. Actually, growing up as a child, I never used to really eat chili.
They put a little bit as a base in every dishes.
So you usually eat this in the evening?
In the evening and maybe in the morning, like you can even congeal. It's the food that easily to digest. Like you can eat in the morning or whatever.
Alright, let's try the glass noodles. So we have glass noodles right here.
I don't think we ever tried this dish before.
No, it's actually my first time trying out glass
And it's hard
noodles.
to find here in Shanghai as well.
So I will roll the fork so I could have a great
Like
collection.
spaghetti.
Yeah, just like spaghetti.
How is it?
Excellent.
It's chewy and
Very chewy. The
yeah,
first thing you notice is
the
the
glass
lemon
noodle
zest.
sucking or all the juices here.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say it, like it can be soup and juice
Yeah,
or
soup.
juices because it's baked with lime and fish sauce. Yeah.
So I noticed lime in there, chili pepper, and what else is in there? They also put lemon
Maybe
grass
put
inside there.
No lemongrass, lemon or lime.
Oh, lime. Okay,
Fish
great.
sauce and maybe put a little bit of sugar.
A little bit, yeah, definitely. I really tested the sugar. So we also have shrimp.
Shrimp, it's
Right
boiled
there.
shrimp. I think it's boiled. Soft.
Very tender, very tender. And still chewy. So let me try the last one. And that's the deep fried pork. So I'll lift out a piece so you can have a closer look. This is what it looks like. They give you a tiny bowl with a sauce in it. So you get a piece of pork, give it inside.
Waited marinated and then marinated with the fish sauce.
Wow. Wow. If you're out there, you should try out Thai food.
Yeah. With a little bite of cucumber.
The pork is nicely done. It's got this moderate crunchiness but still tender. I think the chef was gentle with it. And I like how they place these nicely cut pieces of cucumber on the side and the chilies in the fish sauce. I think I would like to have this as a snack. We have come to the end of the video and I'm glad you joined me today as I totally enjoyed all the food and learned something new. I hope you too learned a new thing or two about Thai food. Now I'd like you to take a minute to subscribe, like, comment and share the video to your friends and family. See you soon.